I'm Nancy Jackson, and I've been making jewelry for over a decade, and I'm an instructor as well. Come follow me as we learn and explore the world of jewelry. Don't forget to click subscribe and tap the bell. Hi, I'm Nancy Jackson, and I've been making jewelry for over a decade. Do you ever wonder what my favorite jewelry pieces are? Well, today we're going to see my favorite rings. Number 10, Floating Discs Ring. This is a solid argentium silver ring. I made two textured discs, one slightly smaller than the other, and textured them with different textures. I then domed the top disc and fused it onto the bottom disc with a large jump ring between to give it height and dimension. Simple and fun to wear. Number 9, Wideband Rings. I had fun with these rings, making them in a variety of widths and textures. I took some of them up a notch and added precious metal clay embellishments to make them look like cigar bands. Great everyday rings. Number 8, Sodalite Stone Ring. Sometimes simple is the most stunning. This navy blue Sodalite ring is just that, simple and stately. This stone is set in argentium silver in a step bezel to lift it up, causing it to look substantial. Number 7, Red Slag Glass Ring. This is slag glass in a vivid red. The metal is argentium silver. This ring should probably rank higher because it is my personal everyday ring. Yes, I wear it with everything, almost every single day. Number 6, the Honeybee Ring. This argentium silver ring has a tiger's eye stone with a bee I made from precious metal clay. This bee is not glued to the top, but fused to a silver tube and set into the stone. Challenging, but rewarding. Number 5, Wideband Floating Stone Ring. This is made just like the wideband rings, but I cut a recess into each side of the opening for a silver tube to fit snugly into. I then fused the tube in place and set a sparkling CZ stone. Number 4, Turquoise Cigar Band Ring. This ring has gorgeous genuine turquoise. I set it in a deep step bezel setting, and the band is a wide band with precious metal clay embellishments that look just like a cigar band. Number 3, Sonora Sunrise Cigar Band Ring. Who doesn't love the Sonora Sunrise stone? This is made just like the previous ring, but with a different stone. It too has a cigar-style wide band. Number 2, the Green Leaf Ring. This is a large ring with a beautiful chrysocolla cabochon. There are 2 handmade leaves adorning one side and 3 decorative balls on the other. It is so fun to wear. It is another ring I have saved just for my personal collection. Number 1, Custom Amethyst Ring. This was a custom order. The customer had purchased this stone in Israel and needed a simple, classic setting. I bezel set this thick faceted stone. It was a challenge to set the stone in such a way that the setting did not detract from the actual stone. It was a piece I was proud to give back to the customer. Many of these rings are still available at Salt Fork Designs in Alva, Oklahoma. Visit their store or take a look at their website. Before you go, tell me which of these beautiful rings was your favorite. Well, thank you for stopping in and seeing my favorite jewelry today, but there's more to come, so click subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Click subscribe and tap the bell. You never know what's coming next.